We found this new cookbook. It is for vegans because one of us is vegan. And so we picked out our recipe. It is a potato soup right here. It looks amazing, and mushroom. And it is Italian, and it is vegan, so we can all eat it. So let's give it a try. Our potatoes.
Yes, getting the skins off. And then I have already started slicing the leeks very thinly. And we will get these together.
Look at us following the recipe.
This is our 3 leeks, all thinly sliced. But I found this in my refrigerator, and I'm not sure if this is a leek, then we probably don't have enough. But so I'm just gonna err on using this because it seems like a lot. But please tell me if this is a leek or not, if anybody knows. Appreciate it. Dicing those potatoes. I'll probably say I'm wasting too much.
A little intro. An incredible, simple soup that lets the natural flavors of the leeks and mushrooms shine through. Perfect for a cold winter day. How does it look outside? Is it a cold winter day?
It's a little on the warm side.
We're kind of in a heat wave, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be amazing for a hot summer day as well.
Now we're beginning. Yay, the fun part. We actually really get to put it together. Oil, and then so much easier when it's all prepped. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so it gets going. Ooh, it smells good. Some potatoes that Erin did so well, and all the mushrooms. There we go. Oops, and lemon juice. Can't forget the lemon juice. Goodness. And then we'll stir it up. It's starting to cook already. I can hear it. Mix it up. Oh wow, get a picture of that, how pretty it looks. A pinch. I never knew how much a pinch was. So I'm just gonna do that much.
Sweet.
I'll have to ask the experts. We have homemade vegetable broth. I made it the other day, and we have 1 quart. So 4 cups is 1 quart. Perfect for the recipe. Go.
Homemade vegetable stock. All right.
Now we only have 30 minutes to wait. How's it smell?
Smells amazing. I am so excited.
I'm so hungry.
We're on the George Foreman.
Forgot the timer.
So we'll add 15 minutes.
Yep, 15 minutes. Cool.
Simmering a little bit too much maybe, so we'll turn it down a tad. All right.
We did not burn it. That's actually the greatest thing about cooking soup. It's really hard to burn.
Just 1, 2. I want to get it. So, oops. Maybe if I hooked it right, it might work better. There. I'm gonna say, that's better. Sounds better. We're trying to get the potatoes so they're not so chunky. We need to put, I'm not sure which we put in first, but let's just put it all in. Olive oil, garlic. It's nice to have it all prepped. Wow. And some parsley for color and a little nutrients. There we go. Cool, I'm going to cook that down. It smells amazing in here. It's like We're cooks. Ready to serve and eat. Company's coming over.
It's tasty too.
Yeah, you better not like spit it out.
Tasty too.
I got some already.
Good Yes.
Job.
I think that was a do again. What do you think?
Absolutely. Especially with you. That made it
Thanks.
more fun.
Thanks.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. We'll share the link in the description.
All right.
And try our next soup, right?
That's right. That's right.
Are we gonna say I love you? Love you to everybody.
Love you too. Testing.
After making Mom's first YouTube video, it's in the works.
All right. And I survived.